Hey guys, we're over at Crimaz. So today we're here at Crimaz checking out the new primary gear that he has. He's created a quick change gear setup. It uses a stock primary, like so. You can pick whatever ratio you like. And instead of having to rivet it all together and hammer it, it actually all goes together with some screws, like so. So you drop in your gear. Make sure that's flush here. Then you would put your springs in, like so, like normal. And then you would put your cover on, line it up, and run in your screws. Like so. And the top plate is one piece with the gear assembly. And this piece here, when it's all bolted together, puts the even pressure, holding the whole thing together, creating a nice unit. So, like and subscribe.